Hi, this is just a little show and tell video of a Patriot Solar Guard 155 or SG 155, whatever you want to call it, that we did a repair on for a customer. We did a bunch of tests to the solar panel and the battery, or the internals of the unit with the circuit board and the output of the solar panel and output of the battery voltage, or voltage from the board to the battery, that sort of thing. So we did a bunch of work on it, and it's going again. It's working, putting out 10,000 volts or so out of it. If you've got a Patriot Solar Guard 155 or any other Patriot unit you'd like to take a look at for you, we'd be happy to take a peek. We also work on cattle scales and low bars for true tests and Gallagher, mostly. We can work on other brands too, but that's the two we get in more than any of them. So they didn't send the battery along, so I had no way to know if the battery was any good or not. But they had a hard. The note didn't really, not charging. That's all it said. So I don't know what the heck that means. But maybe they're not charging the battery, which possibly was what was going on, because it wasn't getting good voltage through the battery or to the battery leads. Now I get the dumb thing to open. There we go. They did send their battery with it, so I have no idea to know if the battery is any good or not. Because if it was like reading a little low, we could load test it and see if it's take a charge or not. Oops. So I just hook it to a power supply here at about 13 volts on it, and we'll push the little button here. Push and hold for a moment. Push and hold. Not very loud. There's a little slight ticking sound coming from every time the light flashes, the unit ticks. Getting about 10,000 volts through out of it. So it's putting out good voltage and good power. It's a 0.15 output joules, so probably like 0.2, 0.3 stored. So yeah, the unit's working fine now. So if you got one of these you want us to take a look at for you, send it on in. We'll go through it for you and we give free quotes. They do sell parts for this unit, so it can be fixed. So we're working about any brand, make, and model of a particular fence charger. So if you got one, happy to take a look at it for you. So that's basically it for this little video. We're just telling you what we do and how we can fix these things, so don't throw it away, or buy a new one of some sort and get your old one fixed for a good spare backup unit. So until next time, we'll see you later on, and if you got any questions, get a hold of us.